This time on Fishguard It's Great, we focus on a town not far away, 25 minutes drive will take you to Haverfordwest. This was to be the first ever Pembrokeshire Fashion Festival held in Haverhub, Haverfordwest's community centre. 6 designers, including myself, found a platform here for our ranges. This venue, Haverhub, is like a chameleon. It transforms itself into whatever it needs to be at what that time it is. Six designers, including myself, found a platform here for our ranges.
My name's Nikki. I'm the face behind the brand Gitti Designs. I hand design and hand paint onto clothing.
We go to our unsung heroes of all fashion shows, hair and makeup people, adding a touch of glamour to our already beautiful models. It's time for rehearsals, rehearsals and rehearsals. Our opening act set the tone for the rest of the complete show. It was a performance by Cabaret by Arts Care. And if you ever wanted to bottle pure joy, then this was the performance to use to fill that bottle.
Whoa, Black Betty. Whoa,
He did it in the end,
Black
didn't he?
Betty. Black Betty and a child. Don't think you're the wild. She's always ready. She's all rock steady. Whoa, Black Betty. Yeah, Black Betty. Whoa, Black Betty. Go, Black Betty. Black Betty had a boss. Don't you go past. She's always my mind. Whoa, Black Betty. Whoa, Black Betty. Don't think you're the wild. She's always ready. She's all rock steady. Whoa, Black Betty. Yeah, Black Betty. Oh, whoa, Black Betty. Whoa, Black Betty. Don't think you're the wild. She's always ready. She's all rock steady. Whoa, Black Betty.